Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Limited in ceramic gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, adaptive cruise control, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 8,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, seatback video screens, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90660G.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.